To save your Ford Explorer from catastrophic drivetrain failures, you must ignore the lifetime fluid myth at your 60,000-mile service and immediately replace your PTU, transmission, and differential fluids. Dealerships often skip the fluids that actually keep your SUV moving. The biggest hidden danger on all-wheel drive Explorers is the power transfer unit, or PTU. Ford manuals label this compact gearbox as a lifetime fill. In reality, it sits next to the hot exhaust and holds barely a pint of gear oil. By 60,000 miles, that fluid breaks down into a thick sludge. The bearings then overheat and destroy themselves, turning a simple $50 service into a massive $1,500 replacement job. Your transmission fluid is another critical area where the factory schedule falls short. The factory Mercon fluid loses its protective qualities by 60,000 miles. Old fluid causes delayed engagements, harsh upshifts, and highway shudder. A simple drain and fill restores shift quality and prevents clutch pack damage. Never let a shop perform a pressurized chemical flush, which can easily ruin the transmission valve body. You must also service your rear differential and spark plugs right now. The rear differential needs fresh gear oil to prevent bearing whine. Under the hood, EcoBoost engines run high boost pressures that rapidly wear out spark plugs. Replacing them at this exact mileage prevents misfires that will quickly destroy your expensive turbochargers and catalytic converters. Take control of your maintenance instead of blindly trusting the basic manual. Demanding these specific fluid changes at your 60,000-mile service is the only proven way to ensure your Explorer remains highly reliable.